Well, good morning. I hope you guys are having an awesome day. So I'm going to walk you guys through how I am creating this beautiful little lace one piece. So when you make this, you could double the fabric if you please, but I have a nude mesh spank, this thing right here. So I will wear something like this under a fabric like that when I don't double the fabric. I put on the little spank thing and it'll stay like this. I don't double. I just leave it just like this and I put it on. So basically you're going to do a pencil skirt. You do the bodice fabric, and these is a little ruffle. So I'm going to show you the pieces that I did, and this is the ruffles at the bottom. I'm going to show you the pieces then it ties in the back. So I'm going to show you the pieces that you need in order to make this. Okay. So remember this basic bodice that we always talk about. So you see this, right? In order to get this shape, you're going to do this. See that? And you will cut that on the fold. So if you see what I did, I took this. I just move it over like that. That's how I get that shape. But you're going to cut it on the fold. So you'll wind up having one. You'll cut it on a fold. So you'll take it and cut it on a fold. You see that shape? And then to get the back shape of the outfit, you fold it down. See? Fold it down. That's how you get the back. And you cut that on the fold. But leave about an inch to an inch and a half, because that's where you're going to roll it over and insert your elastic to keep it up. So that's how you get the top portion of this dress, okay? The bottom portion is just your pencil skirt. So you put it on a fold, you cut two. And you put it on a fold again, so you wind up having two pieces with this on a fold, okay? So your pencil skirt. And the ruffles is this piece right here. So you guys cut out a large circle. And I cut this like 4 times to get all of these ruffles. So I cut it like 4 times to get all of these ruffles. And I haven't sewn this piece down yet. I just wanted to show you guys how that I created that. And then you just take the ruffles, and then you see I got it pinned. I put one set of ruffles going up around here. Put one set of ruffles going up around there. I took one set of ruffles, took it down the center, and then took another set of ruffles and took it around the end of the dress. So that will be how you make this beautiful lace, nice little summer dress. So if you want it to be done with all this fabric, you can double it. You can double it and make it not so thin. But I don't know. I leave it like this and just put on the Spanx, and it'll blend right in with the outfit. So thank you guys for watching. So these is for my new people that's just learning to sew. And a lot of things is complicated. I know they do a whole lot of measurements online. And I know when I first started sewing, and before I got into the books, when I saw people doing the lines and the measurements and this and that, I was so confused on how, like, oh my God, like what's going on? It was so complicated. So I be trying to show you guys easy projects, and I kind of talk y'all through instead of sitting there and putting it all together, just showing you guys again. Remember, this basic bodice piece will be your key. Once you do this, make this piece and you make it for you, your measurements, you can, when you're making any type of top, you'll do this. But remember, you're just going to maneuver it. And, you know, you can make all different type of pieces. And then I say when we get a chance, I'll show you about the sweetheart neckline and stuff like that. But that'll be down the line. So we're taking baby steps. But this will be your key to everything. And your pencil skirt, your measurements, that'll be the key to everything. So when you're making a dress, you just put these pieces together. So if you're going to make a dress, see how that is? And you put it on a fold. So these is your key to making anything. So I hope that helped a lot of my new sewers. Don't be intimidated. Watch a lot of videos. And remember, if you put your mind to it, you can do anything. I had absolutely no sewing experience. And I was like, oh, one day I want to be great. I want to make all these clothes. And look at it. How many years later? Oh, Jesus. Maybe about 13 or so. and I'm able to do it. And I will say sometimes when I'm doing big projects for customers, I still get intimidated. I was telling my sister, I said, wow, when I'm doing stuff for somebody and I'm shipping it, Gino want to say hi, huh? You say hi, Gino? So I said, when I'm doing stuff for people and I'm shipping it, I still get nervous. And my sister said, well, that's normal. I think performers, before they get on stage and do stuff, they still get nervous. So yes, when I'm doing projects, I still get nervous. And what I've decided to do for a lot of my online sales, I'm going to be the spandex queen, because when you're doing stuff that doesn't have spandex in it, you got to have those breast darts on point, just everything to. So I decided I don't want to do that. If my customer is not here in Minnesota, then if I make you something, it's going to be spandex, spandex, spandex. And if you guys are interested in great spandex, put in spandexworld.com, and they got all kinds of spandex. So I'm like the queen of spandex, because majority of all of my arsonista clothes is spandex. I don't do any ironing. I don't like to iron. So everything I own, bloop, spandex, bloop, spandex. Lessons, pair of jeans, and those spandex. So thank you guys for watching. You guys have an awesome day. And make these beautiful lace dress, okay? Toodles.